Chucky got the sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive Therapy. So today is a very exciting day. I have my lowering springs that came in by H&R, so super excited about that. The car is no longer going to be a monster truck. So here they are. Here's the packaging. We got the H&R lowering springs. Not much to show, just there they are. And soon they'll be on the M4. So real quick, I'm gonna show some clips of what it looks like without the lowering springs, what it looks like on a stock suspension. I'm not gonna be installing them by myself because I don't have the space or tools to do that. So I'm gonna be dropping it off at a shop down the street, and they're gonna go ahead and work on the car for me today. I gotta work today, so I'm not gonna be able to stick around and film anything, but super excited. I'll pick it up at the end of the day. So I also just wanna kind of show my thoughts on what it drives like and what it feels like after installing them, because it should improve the handling and everything. Also, I'm gonna be getting my wheel spacers in 2 days, so it should all be cleared up with that. So it should all work out with everything coming together for these suspensions. Okay, guys, so it's actually the next day. It was a little too late yesterday to get the springs installed. So I'm gonna be going to the shop right now. It's early in the morning, so yeah, we'll be there soon, and we'll just be dropping it off and picking it up later today. Okay guys, I just got here. So we are at, right there, it is RA Performance. So super excited. These guys are gonna take care of me today and get the lowering springs installed. So yeah, we'll leave it with them. So we'll see you later. Okay guys, I'm gonna see the car for the first time. Oh, wow, it looks way better. That looks awesome. So guys, if you are in Colorado or Denver, RA Performance, hit them up. They did such a good job. They'll definitely be helping me out with other stuff for the car. So hit them up. I'll link their Instagram and Facebook down below. Okay guys, we made it back home, and it is back in the garage where we started. So, wow. I'm super stoked about this fitment. So I used to be able to fit like 4 fingers in that wheel gap, like no joke. And I can barely fit 2 fingers. So definitely lowered it a decent amount. And then I'm gonna have my wheel spacers come in tomorrow, bring out the tires. Same for the front side. It's like tucked in. We're gonna bring it out and make it flush. But you can it looks a lot lower in person. I don't think camera does justice for how low it actually made the car. Well, let's check out that front bumper. Front bumper has low clearance, so definitely gonna have to be more careful driving. What do you guys think? If I put a splitter on this, is it gonna stay in perfect condition? I don't think so, especially in Colorado with our kind of roads. But yeah, guys, so tomorrow, since it's, as you can tell, it's late outside, I just got off of work, we're gonna go ahead and take this on the road, and I'm gonna give you guys my review on how it rides. So far from the drive home, felt pretty good. Wasn't able to really test it, so we'll see how that feels, excuse me, tomorrow. So it's currently the next day, and we got the sunlight, so I want to go ahead and show you guys in the daylight what these lowering springs looked like. Yeah, looks awesome. So let me show you guys. Looks so good. Just gotta get those wheel spacers. So I'm just gonna set my camera down and kind of drive around so you guys can see like some rolling shots and what the new springs look like. So we'll do that now. So I just got done driving the car on some windy roads and really trying out the new suspension. So here's what I gotta say. It definitely makes the car more planted, but it's not too drastic. Like you don't really, the factory suspension is already really nice on these cars. It's sporty, it's really planted. The handling is awesome. So there wasn't a huge difference. Mainly with these springs, what you want to do is just get like an aesthetic look out of them. I mean, there's definitely benefits for the track and everything, but overall for street driving, you don't notice it too much. So that's what I got to say about the driving experience. But with all that being said, that is the end of this video. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Stay tuned for the next video if you want to see what this suspension is going to look like with the wheel spacers. I'm really curious to see how that fitment is going to look, so make sure you subscribe and like this video and stay tuned for that video. But I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.